Formula fields allows you to do the mathematical operations like sum of fields, division, multiplication, etc. To add formula field, create a new template or edit existing template. In this example, we will do the sum of 4 fields using Formula Field. Using 3 number fields from Fields tab to the form, drag a formula field and click on Field Settings and click on Formula Expression. With this, you will enter in formula mode. Write Sum into Formula Field and then click on the first field. It will put that field into Formula Field. Select the other 3 fields and click on Save. Now click Activate button on top, which will save the template. Click on the Preview button to view the formula field calculation. Enter a value in the 4 fields which will do the sum into Formula Field.